Greetings, Ascended Nation. So I'm coming to you with another general reading. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and truly appreciate it. So remember to take what resonates. What does not resonate for you, leave it right here. Okay, switch the roles if need be. So we're going to go ahead and get into this energy. As you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, the subject matter here is factory. So it says industrial production, manufacturing process, assembly line. So with this factory energy, it could talk about anything. It could talk about, first thing I picked up was organ harvesting. Okay. It could also talk about the moon, the distribution of something. And I'm seeing the moon card in my mind's eye. Okay. It could also talk about prescriptions, big P energy. Okay. I'm picking up all of that off of this card. But to further clarify this factory energy, we have lie. Okay, so something is significant here about some sort of lies. Like I said, I was saying the moon card. The moon card and the Seven of Swords is significant, okay? When it pertains to what something may look like on the outside, in comparison to what's going on in the inside. That's what I just heard, okay? So what something looks like on the outside has nothing to do with what's going on within, okay? Going on within whatever this factory is, okay? So to further clarify this lie, I am going to clarify each of these cards. Spirit, clarify lie for me when it pertains to this factory. We got the Five of Pentacles. So whoever this is out in the cold. Okay, someone lied about something when it pertains to a factory or distributing something, or what they make, or you know what they're involved in. And I feel like there is some sort of financial loss when it pertains to this. These individuals are taking some sort of financial loss. Okay, we then have marriage. Okay, so something could be significant here about contracts. There could be some sort of communication as well. Okay, something could also involve assets, property, so forth and so on, and maybe they're taking some sort of loss in that department. Something could be significant here about an Empress energy as well. A mother figure could be significant with this marriage energy. Okay, false marriages could be significant. False contracts could be significant as well. People who own this factory, okay, who pay into this factory, who invest in this factory could be significant. So further clarify whoever this marriage or this couple is, we have the Seven of Swords, okay? So this goes back to a false marriage, false contracts as well, okay? I'm also hearing bidding. Okay, so something significant here about bidding when it's tied into this factory. Okay, selling something, selling people, selling babies when it pertains to this energy. Okay, next we have bad habits. So drugs, addictions, toxicities. Something could be significant here about people, you know, you being sold off to karmic energies or into karmic families, or cursed with addictions and bad habits. I'm picking up all this type of energy, okay? Or you being tied, putting into situations with people that possess these characteristics is significant, okay? Spirit, clarify bad habits for me, please, when it pertains to this factory energy. We have the Queen of Pentacles, okay? So something is significant here. I said that 3 was giving me Empress, a mother figure. Something is significant here about a mother figure and or a wife. Capricorn energy is significant, okay? This person could definitely be tied to someone who could be in the public eye, okay? Or someone who wants to be in the public eye. This could be the mother figure of somebody. This person could have sold someone to another, whoever this Queen of Pentacles is, okay? Because I'm really getting the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, okay? As far as personality wise, okay? So we then have envy. So whoever this person is, this person envies who you are, okay? Hater, spiteful, jealous, okay? Spirit, clarify this envy, whether you know this person or not, okay? We have a King of Cups. Okay, so something could be significant here about someone either being tied to a King of Cups. A King of Cups, a Queen of Pentacles could be significant. Okay, I'm also getting the energy of something could be significant here about a King of Cups. Okay, maybe this is a father figure, a grandfather, something of that nature. Someone in your family, someone that you could have been in some sort of fake marriage to. Okay, or I could be speaking to a masculine, and this Queen of Pentacles could be connected to you in some way, shape, or form. Okay. Next, we have set up by friend behind your back. Spirit, clarify this energy. So a friend has paid into whatever this is as well, or was receiving some sort of monies. We have Queen of Swords, okay? So something is significant here about a Queen of Swords being involved, okay? I'm also picking up the energy that you could be a Queen of Swords, and maybe you are, when it pertains to maybe you spoke some sort of truth, or you have your boundaries up to whomever this friend is, okay? We then have jealous ex. So something could be significant here about a jealous ex as well. Spirit, clarify this. We have a Nine of Swords. So whoever this jealous ex is, this person is in their head, suffering with some sort of anxiety, worry, fear, depressed, okay? Possibly in this energy because they're afraid of their involvement coming out. It's being revealed. We have her family, a truth teller. So something is significant. If you are a truth teller, we saw the Queen of Swords. Something is significant about your family being involved. Spirit, clarify truth teller. This her family energy. And you don't have to be on a platform. Maybe you're just sharing your story in some way, shape, or form. And we got the Ace of Swords, baby, clarifying this, her family. Okay, truth teller energy. Following that, we got fact or fiction. So it is a fact that if you are a truth teller, whether you're in the spotlight or not, okay, your family was involved in your demise. Okay, Spirit, clarify fact or fiction. And it's crazy because factory, okay? Okay, so the Fool. It is a fact that these people did take a leap of faith as when it pertains to their involvement. Some sort of involvement. Yeah, we got the Three of Pentacles on the bottom and we got the Hermit. Something is being investigated, okay, when it pertains to this collaboration. Okay, these individuals taking some sort of leap of faith to do this, okay? We then have someone has an insurance policy on you. So yeah, these people have an insurance policy on whomever you are, okay? And they are weighed down with the Ten of Wands because the shit has not been able to be fulfilled. It is all backfiring and you know about it. We got the High Priestess. Come through, Spirit. Following that, we got storm warning, water. So something is significant here about the element of water, or I could be speaking to a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or something is in reference to a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, but we have illusions. So I've got the Seven of Cups in reverse. I feel like illusions are being broken. Okay, whatever these illusions are, okay, they're being broken. And I split the deck on the Three of Swords. Okay, so yeah, some sort of heartbreak. Okay, because whatever this is, clarity. Yeah, thank you, Spirit. Some sort of clarity is coming out. Okay. We have they despise your self-love. The fact that they despise your self-love, collective, okay? Magician, and they did some sort of magic to try to interfere with it. And the fact that you are a magician, okay? More clarity as well. Something about your self-confidence, okay? That these people are intimidated by, okay? We then have narcotics. So someone could have told some sort of lies and tried to label you as a drug addict, okay? We have narcotic. These people could be on some sort of narcotics as well. We do got factory. I said something about Big P. Okay, so we got, yeah, working diligently when it pertains to whatever this is. We got the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, some of these individuals could work just to get high. Okay, that's what I just heard. If it applied, apply it. If it don't, it don't. But something significant here about Virgo energy. Okay, someone putting in some sort of hard work. I feel like to try to paint this picture of you being some sort of addict. Okay, we then have cybersecurity. Spirit, clarify cybersecurity and its involvements. We have a King of Wands. Okay, so something is significant here about a King of Wands energy. Right, this person could work for some sort of organization or establishment. We got the King of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, some sort of long-term investment. I'm picking up a hacker. Okay, so a hacker could be significant, or someone is looking into a hacker and somebody is about to get locked up. Okay, next we have harmed another person. So something is significant here about someone harming another. Okay, you not being the first rodeo, collective, is significant. Okay, these people have harmed others. Okay, some you may even know about. All right, or are aware of, and you could be exposing this energy. Harmed another person. We have High Priestess, yeah. So you know about it, okay, and it landed on shine, okay. So continue to shine your light. Your light irritates their demons, okay. Continue to speak this truth, reveal this truth, okay. Water energy is significant. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy is significant. We then have dodging. No, we have toil and labor. Yeah, so I said you could be revealing something about what you do for work could definitely be significant on what these people with that Seven of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles, what they paid into or what they do for work. Okay, what is toil and labor? Whatever this is in this factor in, we got the World in reverse. Okay, so something is significant here about wanting to take shortcuts. Okay, incompletions. Okay, not wanting this cycle to close out. That's what's going on here. These people do not want to be found out. Okay, what is dodging bullet, Spirit? So you dodge whatever this bullet was. Eight of Wands. Okay, so something backfiring is definitely significant. Okay, some sort of quick change is significant, a swift change, okay, when it pertains to this energy. And we then have double life. So something is significant here about someone who harmed another person, okay. Also with this Eight of Wands to this dodging bullets, something could be significant here about Shango, okay, some sort of karma. But I'm also getting we got double life here. So something is significant here about someone who lives a double life. This person harmed another, okay. A serial killer or a serial R word could definitely be significant. What's double life here, Spirit, for factory? These people are tied into some sort of factory, okay. We have the Six of Wands, okay. So this could be like a all right, so this is giving me further clarification on that dodging bullets, but this is also giving me the energy of multiple people. Okay, with this double life energy, it's giving me multiple people. Yeah, you're protected. We got the Seven of Wands from whomever this is. Someone could have wanted to be in some sort of competition with you as well. Whoever this is that has harmed another and lives a double life. Okay, someone living under some sort of alias could definitely be significant. We then have corrupt surgeon. So something is significant here about a corrupt surgeon as well. Okay, when it pertains to this harmed another person. So this corrupt surgeon has harmed someone else. Okay, something could be significant here about a surgical procedure that you had to have. Okay, Five of Swords. Yeah, so these people could be fighting with this surgeon or vice versa. I'm picking up these people fighting. Okay, some sort of disagreements. Okay, because they're getting caught up. We got a wolf in sheep's clothing. So maybe this surgeon is fighting with a wolf in sheep's clothing. Could definitely be this person that lives a double life. I'm also picking up this is that surgeon as well. Okay, these people are all wolves in sheep's clothing. Someone from your past. We got the Six of Cups. And we got the Two of Pentacles that juggled you. Okay, so yeah, this wolf in sheep's clothing is someone from your past that juggled you, and this person is going back and forth with a corrupt surgeon. This person is tied to this corrupt surgeon, and this corrupt surgeon is tied to this factory. Okay, next we have do not accept anyone from your past. They all work together, and we see the Six of Cups. All right, come through, Spirit. Spirit, further clarify this. Okay, so we have strength. Yes. To hold them boundaries, okay, keep your boundaries up when it pertains to these people. A King of Swords who is currently under judgment could definitely be significant, or something about a judgment call is significant here, and a law official could be significant as well. Then we have backdoor of home. Spirit, what is this? We got the Hangman. So someone could be trying to harm someone, or some sort of setup could be significant. We got the Hangman and the King of Swords. Okay, Tower energy. Okay, so someone could have tried to set up somebody. Something about the back door of somebody's home. Okay, over some sort of Wheel of Fortune energy. Okay, or something significant here about karma. Okay, someone could have tried to backdoor another. I'm also getting that. Okay, someone could have paid a stranger to do something as well. I'm picking up. All right, next we have Beyond the Veil. Someone here is held in high honor as well. Okay, Spirit, what is this Beyond the Veil energy? It could definitely be this setup energy. We got the Nine of Wands, the Wounded Warrior. Someone here is a divine being. Okay, we got high honor. What is high honor, Spirit? We got the Nine of Pentacles. Y'all know that talks about someone who is very abundant. Okay, so Virgo energy could be significant. We have shine your light. Okay, your light irritates their demons. We got the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, and someone is facing some sort of karma. Okay, because I'm reading this both upright and in reverse. It acted as if it wanted to come out in reverse, but it flipped over on the Tower. So yes, whoever this King of Swords is, King of Swords to the Tower, to the Hangman, someone has sacrificed themselves, has sacrificed their destiny. Someone could have tried to do a destiny swap, and I got confirmation with a tap on my wall, okay, and something has backfired. Spirit, what is self-love? And we have the Hermit. So you're in Hermit mode, collective, and you're loving on yourself. Okay, we then have male involved in sex trafficking. Okay, Spirit, clarify this. Someone could be being investigated. This goes back to that factory energy. Okay, distributing something or someone. Okay, that's what I'm picking up here. We got the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so something could be significant here about this Knight of Pentacles. Whoever this is someone doing magic. Okay, someone did some sort of magic. It landed on the Magician, and they despise your self-love. Okay, a Taurus could be significant. I heard a Taurus. It's saying Virgo, but I heard Taurus. Okay, someone was invested in whatever so we got the Seven of Pentacles. Sorry, I'm channeling. Someone has been invested in this sex trafficking for a while. Okay, the number 7 could be significant, and the Seven of Pentacles is Taurus energy. We then have codependent. Whoever this energy is, this person is very codependent. Okay, we have the Six of Pentacles in reverse, greed. This person is greedy as well. Okay, this came out in the reading prior to this, the Six of Pentacles in reverse, so definitely check that out. Something could be significant here. Some of my investigation cards flew out. We got money laundering, and we got hostage situation within an establishment. So any of those could be significant, okay? Something about money laundering and a hostage situation. So with that hostage situation and establishment, something could be significant here about a bank, okay? That could be significant. Next, we have lawn company. So someone here could work for a lawn company. This lawn company energy keep coming out, or something about an entrepreneur, someone who owns their own business and a home. Someone could have tried to pay someone who maybe works for a lawn company to come and mow someone's lawn. Okay, that's what I'm getting. All right, some sort of setup energy once again. Okay, could definitely be significant. We then have a cemetery. So something could be significant. This is the Beyond the Veil deck. Card that I read in the beginning. So something is significant here about a cemetery. Your ancestors, I'm getting off of this card. Okay, with that Beyond the Veil energy. And then we got death that came out to clarify that. So you are definitely heavily protected. Okay, something is significant here about a Queen of Cups energy. Okay, clarify death for me, Holy Spirit. Okay, and we got the Lovers. Okay, so something could be significant here about a reincarnated love. I am picking that up. I'm also getting someone protecting you, your loved ones, okay, that are on the other side. You are being heavily protected, collective. Okay, so that's everything I have for you when it pertains to this energy. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in the next one.